My colleague Kritika joining me live from the Aam Aadmi Party office. Kritika, very good morning to you. Of course, as much as everybody is going to keep us ahead as far as what this is looking like, for all our reporters also it's equally busy because with your inputs is what we'll know what is happening on the ground. Having said that, you are at the Aam Aadmi Party office, given the aspect that they seem very confident. But for the moment, what can you tell us?
Well, Nivedna, I guess they have been projecting confidence since the day of, in fact, polling. But a huge concern for the Aam Aadmi Party here is the vote share and definitely the numbers that have been projected by the exit polls. So today it has been asked of all the candidates to be extremely vigilant at the counting centers. And any, in fact, issue with the EVMs, with the counting, as minor as possible needs to be raised. That is what is coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, what we also know is that much before polling day as well, Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal had talked about how they will be making sure that all the data of the polling that they receive from different polling booths is collated and that will be matched with the data that will be given by the Election Commission. So definitely some sort of a skirmish can already be foreseen, but it is too early to in fact say. But talking about too early to say, we already have arrangements that have been put in place here at the Aam Aadmi Party office. On your screens, you'll be able to see the stage that has been set up. The dices are in place. We have the metal barricade as well to create some space all around. You will also be able to see the sound systems. So definitely looking at the carpets that have also been laid out today, the massive setup here, right at the entrance as well, we have the massive sound systems in place. So definitely it seems like Aam Aadmi Party continues to project confidence, and it will be very interesting, dare I say more interesting than the campaign that all the parties had even done today, to see how the reactions come in and how in fact the day unfolds. Because remember, if the Aam Aadmi Party returns to power, they will be breaking the Congress Party's record of 15-year rule in the national capital as well. So that is something major that the Aam Aadmi Party is targeting. While on the other hand, the BJP had also run an extremely ferocious campaign wherein a key part was to target, in fact, the credibility of the Aam Aadmi Party convener of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and, in fact, of all the top leaders by again and again talking about the alleged...
Like you said, it will be a nail biter given the aspect that how exit poll predictions have stated, with the parties of course ensuring that they have their own confidence. Saurabh Bharadwaj is addressing the media. Let's listen.
अब अच्छा होगा आगे.
Kept it very simple and short by saying whatever will happen for the good. So clearly all AAP leaders over there very confident. Kritika, coming back to you, the reason why, of course, you were talking about how interesting that gets, right? Supposing the BJP does win, and this is after 27 years that they come into power, and for the Aam Aadmi Party, like you stated, that particular record. But very importantly, what has happened, in fact, in the run-up to the polls as well, the ABC, the AAP versus the BJP versus the Congress, with that political campaign as well. But the crux of the matter is the citizen ultimately. For a place which is riddled with perennial issues, like we also discussed on the day of voting, many of them did point out about how there are many concerns a citizen would want to have. But we'll know ultimately today which way Delhi has swung and, what issues have actually taken precedence while they have gone ahead and given their mandate today.
I'm reporting from just outside the Aam Aadmi Party office and straight across showing the witness question. What kind of...
Well, yes, even on the polling day, voters were talking to us about the major issues that they've been facing. Garbage collection was something that a lot of voters had talked to us about. The condition of roads, a lot of them had in fact said that it is the roads that they frequently use. Their vehicles have to be out, and with potholes, with poor quality of roads, with the absence of maintenance, this daily commute turns into sort of a nightmare, and add to that the issues of congestion as well at multiple choke points. So what we were in fact able to pick up on the ground was that the model of education and healthcare that the Aam Aadmi Party had made their prime focus, that is something that is being related to as a product of their
although you're
first term.
keeping us ahead with that and also telling us how that is panning out, just from a while from now when the early trends start to come in, we will actually know the final decision. But for the moment, Kritika, I'd have to leave the conversation at that. We're slipping into a quick break here this morning. Don't go anywhere. We're going to be right back.